Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Trust Wallet for Binance Smart Chain. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your App Store. Once installed, open it and create a new wallet. You will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it in a very safe place. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device, so keep it absolutely private. Next, we need to add the Binance Smart Chain network. On your main wallet screen, look for the Add Custom Token or Add Token option. From the list of available networks, select Smart Chain. This action automatically configures your wallet to interact with the Binance Smart Chain, allowing you to send and receive tokens on that network. It's a quick and essential step. Now, you'll need some BNB to cover transaction fees, also known as gas. Copy your Smart Chain BNB receiving address from your Trust Wallet. Then, go to Binance or another exchange where you hold BNB and send a small amount, perhaps $10 or $20 worth, to this address. Ensure you select the BEP20 network for the transfer. This BNB will enable all your future transactions. Finally, you are ready to connect to decentralized applications, or dApps. Open the dApp browser within Trust Wallet and navigate to your desired dApp. Make sure the dApp supports the Binance Smart Chain. When prompted, connect your wallet. Any transactions you initiate within the dApp will require your confirmation directly in Trust Wallet, ensuring your security and control over your funds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.